Stocks fell lower again today as the bear market continues.
The continued downturn comes a day before the Federal Reserve is expected to hike interest rates to get a hold on inflation. Tonight, Crown 4's Dan Kerman talked to experts about what that means for the economy and for your retirement.
That free fall on Wall Street continued for most stocks on Tuesday, due in large part to an upcoming move by the Federal Reserve and an increasing rise in consumer prices.
Stock market, to a point, hates inflation, or beyond a certain point, hates inflation. It means that incomes are being squeezed, and we can all feel that now with fuel prices rising, food prices rising. And it also puts the Federal Reserve on guard, prepared to, and in fact, beginning to raise interest rates.
In fact, the Fed is expecting to announce a 3/4 point hike on Wednesday in hopes of cooling off inflation and rebalancing supply with demand. But there's also fear the Fed attempt to cool inflation will slow the economy too much.
We do think that growth will be slowing during the balance of the year, and the economy will become very vulnerable to a recession around the turn of the year as well.
In the short term, none of that is good for the stock market or for individual investors, some of whom have seen their 401k retirement accounts drop as much as 20% since the start of the year.
Don't panic. Understand that what's occurring now is temporary in nature. You know, we talk about declines are temporary and growth is long-term over time.
Financial planners and investment managers say history shows us the stock market will recover typically in 2 to 3 years' time, meaning most with a diversified portfolio should stay the course and not do any panic selling or repositioning of investments until that recovery begins. And that advice could also apply to those whose retirement is around the corner.
Let's just say my retirement date is a year out or 24 months out. As difficult as it may be, the odds are your portfolio will be in better shape 12 or 24 months from now than it is today if you maintain your discipline.
Dan Kerman, Crown 4 News.